This adjustable set combines dumbbells, a barbell, kettlebells, and push-up stands in one compact kit, so it covers a surprisingly wide range of home workouts without needing multiple pieces of equipment. The plates use a dense cement and iron sand fill with a tough outer shell that feels durable and is gentler on household floors than bare metal options. Secure double locking collars with deep threads keep the weight plates from loosening, which gives a reassuringly stable feel during presses, rows, and overhead work. The central bar uses a thick steel core wrapped in cushioned foam that sits comfortably across the shoulders or neck, making longer barbell sessions easier on the body. Textured, non-slip handles provide a confident grip even when your hands get sweaty, helping you maintain control through higher repetition sets. The modular design lets you quickly change the loading for dumbbell, bar, or kettlebell configurations, and then break everything down for easy storage in tight spaces.